So besides my YouTube videos, there's a lot of videos going around on the net and social media of these gimmick style pins, these gimmick style matches, like where people are doing like the video game fireball or the touch of death or the one finger poke, or you're seeing referees flying off the top rope for a big high pin. That's great. This video, I'm going to, as an official, I'm going to show how officials should handle it. And if you're a wrestler or a coach or somebody trying to set one of these up, how you should go about handling them as well. To me, there's two types that you need to focus on. There's the gimmick pin, the gimmick match, and then there are those for like somebody say with special needs or disability that's never won a match, and you have the varsity team captain from another school that's going to lay down on maybe senior night or a tournament, so the individual with special needs can get a win, get their hand raised. I'm going to show you how to handle that and give you a couple of examples. So sit back and enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. As always, tell somebody about the channel, and we'll see you guys in the video. I'm going to enjoy doing this, and hopefully you're going to enjoy watching it. There are some examples of what I was talking about at the beginning of this video. Now, I'm going to give you the official's perspective. Wrestlers, if you're going to do something like this, go up to the official beforehand and say, hey, this is what we're wanting to do. We're wanting to do the fireball. We're wanting to do the touch of death. We're wanting to do, this, that, or the other. That's fine. And if the referee says, okay, let's do it, let's get here and get it done, for whatever reason, you're wrestling with somebody from your team or exhibition match, whatever the case is, go out there, do it, get off the mat. But if the official says no, to quote my friend Danny Ray from West Virginia, not on my mat, then don't do it. Now, officials, if they come up, and I can't tell you how to officiate, that's not what this is for. This is merely just explaining rules. If wrestlers come up and say, hey, this is what we're wanting to do, yes, I realize this is a change of scenery, but I had to get out of the locker room because I had a lot of wrestlers coming in wanting to change for the meet. So I'm in the training office now. Nevertheless, officials, if they come up, ask you to do it, like I said a second ago, I can't tell you to do it, but come on, have fun with it. My goodness, it's not going to kill you to let them go out there and have a little bit of fun yourself. But wrestlers, if you don't come up to the official and say, hey, this is what we're wanting to do, and you get hit for unsportsmanlike or maybe even flagrant misconduct or get hit with a penalty, and guess what? That's on you. Tell the official. Get with your coach. Say, hey coach, this is what we're wanting to do. Have the coach go with you even. The more, I'm not going to say authority, but the more validation you can give it, and the more it seems like it's planned out, the better chances are you're going to have the official cooperate. Now, real quick on having a individual with special needs or disability come out on the mat and do it, more than likely that's going to be something arranged by the school itself and something that's already worked out. And if the official does not want to cooperate on that, which if you don't want to cooperate with helping somebody with disabilities, I don't know why you're officiating. You need to turn your license in and just find something else to do because you're in it for the wrong reason. But I can see schools, if the official does not want to cooperate, I can see the school system saying, fine, we'll do it without you, and they'll run it themselves. They'll get one of the coaches, they'll get like maybe the athletic director, the principal, somebody on the school board themselves or whatever to come out and do it. Even if it's not a sanctioned match, if they just walk out, shake hands, and the senior captain falls or the team captain falls, and then the person with disabilities covers them or does some type of move like a little takedown to get them down or whatever, then that's great. Stuff like that warms my heart. And again, officials, you probably know about that to begin with. It may be a spur of the moment thing. You may have somebody from a team at a dual meet or tournament or whatever come up and say, hey, We're going to do a ceremonial pin, ceremonial this. Come on guys, play along, have a heart. I mean, there's no reason why you can't go out there and make a kid's life, because they'll remember that forever, and there's no reason that you can't do it. So there you have it, gimmick matches and gimmick pins, all that good stuff. Hope you enjoyed. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Tell somebody about the channel. My season, I got one more meet, and that is the state tournament this year, 2020 state tournament. I'm going to be doing some videos from there, but until then, see you guys on the mats.